Hi, my name is Dale Maley. I'd like to tell you about an interesting little project I just finished, and it goes back to the Jones House, which is one of the 3 historic homes operated by the Livingston County Historical Society in Illinois. This particular project falls under the Jones House umbrella. That house is located at 314 East Madison Street in Pontiac. It was built by John Daner back in 1858. It's on the National Register of Historic Places. It's actually the oldest brick house in Pontiac, Illinois, and it's owned by the Livingston County Historical Society. As you remember, I said John Daner built this house, and we found a token from 1863 that he made when he was in business with a Mr. Maples in Pontiac. And this token was one of the tokens was originally purchased, then donated to our historical society. The good news is, you can see here, it's got some interesting text there: Daner and Maples, dry goods, groceries, crockery, Pontiac, Illinois. The problem is it's very small. It's less than 3/4 of an inch in diameter. So someone just looking at it from a distance really has trouble reading the fine print. So how could we display that in the Jones House so visitors to the house could easily read what's on the coin? And we also don't want somebody to pick up the token and just put it in their pocket and walk out of the house with it. So I worked with our team that takes care of giving the tours at the Jones House, and I came up with this concept for displaying that small token. And my idea was build a small display case out of oak, and then have a clear plastic cover, technically called acrylic, so no one can easily remove the token. And you can get the overall size here. It's about 8 inches wide by 7 inches deep by about 4 inches tall. Now in this view, I removed the plastic that was shown in the previous drawing, just for ease of seeing what's going on. And you can see my little sign that I made for showing both sides of the coin. They're about 2 inches in diameter, so they're easy to read. Then the actual token we'll put down on the bottom, probably drill a hole in there and set the token in there. And what's shown is a slightly different token than the one we're actually going to display. This is just a picture I got off the internet. Now here's a photo of the finished project, and you can see the sign there. I have the plastic cover, and I'm always requested to include the coffee cup in all my finished projects so people can use it for scale and see how large the final project is compared to a coffee cup. Now here's a more close-up photo without the coffee cup, and the plastic is installed, so you can see it's fairly easy for people to read the text on the left-hand side. For Daner and Maples dry goods, groceries, crockery in Pontiac, Illinois. I have a quarter in here right now because I don't have the right token. I will borrow that or get it from the guy who actually has it, and then it's easy to swap out the quarter for the right token. Now I intentionally designed this box so the back could be assembled or disassembled using the 4 brass screws there. So in this case, I'm going to swap the token out. Maybe in later years somebody wants to clean the plastic on the inside. That can be done easily as well by just taking out the 4 brass screws. So some final closing thoughts on this little project. This design should be able to last for many years as a display item in the Jones House. And you can always take a free tour of the Jones House. Our general schedule is we're open 1 to 3 p.m. on the 3rd Saturday of each month in Pontiac, Illinois. So, in summary, this short video explains how I built a display for a relatively small token. And hopefully you can use the ideas from my display box to display your item. May not be a token, it may be some other small item, but the same general concept should work. So thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.